it's Miss Tara. I'm going to go over today some activities that you could do as prerequisites for catching. Activities that can warm up the child before they start to catch, or if they're really having a hard time with catching, you can try these activities instead, and as they get better, progress onto catching. Okay, so the first thing that you can try, I have my lovely assistant. She's going to lay down on her belly, and right here we're going to kind of take some of the pressure off the kid. They don't have to stand and balance and work on all different planes. We're just going to work on her convergence and timing, okay? So she's going to be tracking the ball toward her body, and as it rolls to her, she's going to tap it away with 2 hands, okay? Good. All right, so this is getting the child warmed up, working on some of the skills that they need for catching, but it's taking a lot of the pressure off of them, and they're able to just focus on a slow motion convergence and tap. All right, so that's probably step 1. If they do pretty good with that, the next thing you might want to try is a slow motion object like a balloon or a scarf. I have tissues right now, so we're going to try these tissues. She's a little tall for me, so she's going to kneel down, but your child can stand if they're small. Okay, so what we're going to work on here is a slow motion timing and her bilateral coordination. It's a little bit step up from the rolling ball. And she's going to try to catch them before they hit the ground. Good. Good. Good job, okay? So she's working on a small amount of tracking, a small amount of bilateral coordination and timing that is, she can get a little stronger as we move further away and the objects get smaller or faster. Okay, the next thing we're going to do from there is usually kids get a little anxious, and that's one of the reasons why they don't learn to catch quickly. So if you use something soft that they're familiar with, that I have found helps. First, we start with like a slow motion sort of catch. So they're practicing it. We take some of the anxiety away. They're learning the skill. And then, are you ready? All right, you're going to try to catch. Good job, okay? You could do a lot of different stuffed animals in a row. Once they get comfortable with that, you move a little bit further back, okay? And you find that spot where they are comfortable and successful catching. After you move to there, you could probably go back to that large blue ball. This would be the next step, where you would do like a slow motion catch again. Same thing. Give it a catch, good. And then you would move back your distance as they're successful. After that ball, you're going to move a little smaller. Okay, slow motion catch. This is harder. Actually harder. So they're learning. Okay, we're going to do a close one. Okay, back. Okay, back. Good job. All right, good catching. If your child is successful there, you would do a slow motion off to the side, not at midline, okay? So you're going to try to catch this with 2 hands, slow motion, okay? Good. You can go in all different directions to get them used to tracking that ball and catching it. Okay, ready? Good. One more. Good job. All right, so those are my tips and tricks for catching. Have a great night. Thanks.